magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Sa ating pong buting Mayor Marietta Padera. Sorry, di Mayet, nakalimutan ko. Ang natatandaan ko is Padera. Sa ating dating Mayor, ang aking kaibigan, si Mayor Pong Padilla, members of the local council, sa pamumuno ng ating Vice Mayor, Vice Disan Cervantes, barangay officials who are with us tonight, distinguished members of the panel of judges, members of the Academy who are with us tonight, men in uniform, sa lahat po ng kawali ng pamahalaan na nandito ngayon, sa mga bisita at mga balikbayans who are went out of the way to join us for this year's fiesta celebration. Sa lahat po ng pinalanggang kalatrabanon, again, representing everyone. First, allow me to again acknowledge our good Mayor,